Hello, how are you? Welcome to the podcast. Let's start something.
Over 50? You don't need risky schemes to add cash flow. Today, 7 realistic income streams you can start this month, plus a fast 7-day action plan. Quick note, this is education, not financial advice. Check taxes and investments with a fiduciary advisor or CPA. 1. T-bill or CD ladder. Split cash into several maturities, 3, 6, 9, 12 months, so something matures regularly. It's simple, backed by the Treasury or FDIC banks, and pays better than most checking accounts. Starter move. Pick an amount, buy the shortest maturity first. Reinvest each time it matures. 2. A dividend ETF core. Instead of picking stocks, use a low-cost broad dividend or total market ETF and let it handle diversification. Goal: reliable income, not chasing extreme yields. 3. Covered call ETF, optional slice. These funds sell options on their holdings to pay higher distributions. Trade-off: limited upside and variable payouts. If you use them, make it a small slice, not the whole portfolio. 4. Micro rentals. No second home required. Rent a driveway during events, a storage bay, tools, or a spare room to traveling nurses or students. Keep it local, insured, and with written house rules. 5. Turn skills into consulting. Package what you already know: bookkeeping, HR forms, lesson plans, home maintenance checklists into a one-page offer. I help who get what result and how long for a flat fee. One client a month can cover groceries. 6. A light digital product. Weekend build. Printable trackers, a mini course, or a checklist pack. For example, downsizing room by room or caregiver medication log. Price modestly and list on marketplaces. 7. Hobby services. Paid dog sitting, piano tuning, garden setup, photo scanning. Keep your travel radius tight, book in blocks, charge up front. Flexible, social, surprisingly steady. Taxes and Social Security. New income can affect tax brackets and how much of Social Security is taxable. Track where income lands. Taxable account, IRA or Roth, and log legitimate expenses for any service work. Here's a fast 7-day plan to launch your first stream. Day 1. Choose 2 streams, one financial, one you-based. Set guardrails, hours per week, risk comfort, and a tiny starter budget. Day 2. Open or verify accounts. Brokerage or bank for T-bills/CDS. Payment processor for consulting or rentals. Day 3. If you picked the latter, map 4 maturities. If you picked consulting, write your one-page offer, problem, process, price, proof. Day 4. Deploy a small test, your first T-bill or CD, or publish your offer and message 3 warm contacts. I'm taking 1 client this month, want details? Day 5. Choose 1 micro rental. Read the platform's insurance page, photograph the space in daylight, write 3 house rules. Day 6. Build a tiny digital product, 5 to 10 pages or 15 minutes of audio-video. Upload it and set a simple price. Day 7. Review. What paid? What felt easy? Double down on the winner and schedule your next step on the calendar. Quick recap. Safer cash with a T-bill or CD ladder, steady dividends from broad ETFs, covered call ETFs as a small slice, micro rentals, skills to consulting, a weekend digital product, and hobby services you already enjoy. Pick 2 and start this month. Follow for more over 50 money tips and tell me which stream you're launching first.